Brightspace Learning Management System Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of the Brightspace Learning Management System. Links to the product are in the description for your convenience. Brightspace, developed by D2L, is a powerful cloud-based LMS that's designed to offer an exceptional learning experience for educational institutions and corporate training programs alike. It's known for its modern features, ease of use, and scalability, making it ideal for a wide range of users, from K-12 schools to large universities and businesses. One of Brightspace's strongest features is its personalized learning capabilities. The platform uses intelligent tools that adapt to the learner's needs, offering a highly customized experience. The easy-to-use interface is fully mobile responsive, ensuring learners can access their courses on any device at any time. For instructors, Brightspace offers a range of tools to create engaging content, including multimedia, discussions, and quizzes. You can track learner performance in real time and easily monitor progress through its advanced analytics and reporting system, which is one of the most comprehensive in the industry. The platform's flexibility is another key advantage. Whether you're looking to deliver self-paced courses, instructor-led training, or blended learning, Brightspace can handle it all. It supports a variety of content formats, such as SCORM, XAPI, and LTI integrations, making it easy to integrate with other tools and content libraries. Brightspace also offers gamification features like badges and leaderboards, which can help increase learner engagement and motivation. For administrators, Brightspace provides an intuitive setup process and a highly customizable environment. From user roles to branding, you can tailor the platform to suit your institution's or organization's unique needs. The platform also integrates seamlessly with third-party tools like Zoom, Google Drive, and Salesforce. Overall, Brightspace is an excellent choice for organizations that need a robust, adaptable LMS that delivers personalized learning experiences, supports various teaching methods, and offers comprehensive reporting. If you're looking for a scalable and feature-rich LMS, Brightspace should definitely be on your radar. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more details.